Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to model this coffee table in 3D Max. First, I'm going to draw a box for the legs. Here I do have the table leg. It is curved from the bottom and from the corner here. Okay, and here the width is double the amount of the lower parts. So I'm going to draw a box. This box will be 3 cm by 3 cm by 40. Now I'm going to add edit poly, and I will select these edges and make connect. I will relocate this edge. First, I will move it all the way down. Then I will use the status bar to move it 12 cm upward. Now I will go to select some polygons. This side, I will make it thicker, so I will extrude it 3 cm more. And also this side, I will extrude it 3 cm to make it wider. Now I want to do this curve here. So I will select, I'll go back to edge mode by pressing number 2 on the keyboard. I will select this edge and then chamfer. I will use 3 cm because I need my curve all the way up to this point. And then I will make the segments 3. And the depth, I will not use the default 0.5. I will make it inward, the curve. So I will use minus 0.5, like this. Now, I need to adjust here some vertex because I know that I have 2 points or 2 vertex on top of each other. So I will click on weld. Okay. Also, I will select these points here and I select weld. I'm going to do the same thing here. I will go to the edge mode by pressing number 2 and then you click on chamfer. I will select the vertex here and I will weld, and the vertex here and I will weld. Now I still need to select this edge here at the corner and I need to chamfer. But this time I will use the depth 0.5. Okay, like this. Now I finished this part of the table. Now I'm going to draw the tabletop. First, I will draw a box. This box will be 50 by 100 by 3. This is my box. Now, I'm going to add edit poly. Select these edges. I need to chamfer the edges because they look here curved. Now I will select these edges and I will add chamfer. I will use the same amount I have used in the legs, which is 3 cm, and make the segments 3. Now I will add a chamfer modifier, and smoothing output, I need only chamfers only, and make the amount 0.15, like this. This is my tabletop. Now let's move the table leg under the table. I will adjust the position. Then I will make more copies here at each corner. To do that, I need to go to hierarchy panel and click Effect Pivot Only, and I need to move this pivot from here to the pivot point of this box. So in order to do that easily, I need to right-click in Snap Toggle and make sure that the pivot point is selected. Now you can easily move it to the pivot point. You go back to the Modify panel and add Symmetry Modifier. Okay, I will add first the X-axis and then the Y-axis with a flip. Let's go to the front view. Now I will move this tabletop upward. Like this. Now we will start with the drawers. First, we need a box from here to here, and I will make the height -2. I'll go to the top view and double check the location and move it backward because you have here little leveling between the two areas. Now I'll go back to the front. Now I'm going to hide these two objects and I will add edit poly to this box. Go to edge mode and connect. I need 2 segments here, and I need to widen the space here. Now, as you can see, I have here one line, or let's say one piece of wood, and one piece of wood here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to chamfer to make this gap, and I will put the gap 0.15, something very little, and 0 segments. And here you have one option called open chamfer. So this polygons here will disappear or will be deleted. I will go back to the border mode. I will select and click on cap. As you can see now, all these all these borders are closed. I'll go to the front view again. I need now to make this vertical gap. I will select this element. There is one nice option here called in edit geometry, hide unselected. So you can work easily with one element. Now I'll go back to edge mode. I select these 2 edges and click on connect. Now I'm going to apply chamfer and check open chamfer. Now I'm going to the border mode. I will check this border and click on cap, and check this border and click on cap. As you can see now, both has closed polygon now. Now I'm going to the front again. For these 2 drawer handle, you just need to empty one part of this polygon here. So I just need to select these edges here and here, and then you click on connect 2 segments. The gap between them smaller. I think, yeah, this looks good, and I will add 1 segment here as well. Connect 1 segment, and you shift it upward like this. First, we are going to edit geometry and press unhide all, so you can see the other elements again. Press F3 and F4. Go to polygon mode, select this one and this one, the one that I will delete, but I will need to move it to the back, plus hold shift. This is now the opening. Now unhide all. So we need now to do the sides here. I will hide these 2 objects. Now I will go to the top view. First, I'm going to draw the inner box. This. Okay. I'll go to the front view, add edit poly, and select the lower vertex and adjust the height like this. For the sides now, I am going to add edit poly. So I will use a bridge between these 2 polygons. I will go to the polygon mode by pressing number 4 in the keyboard, or you open this list and choose polygon. I select this polygon here and this polygon here, and click on bridge. Now, just to add little reality to it, there is some joint here, so I will move it backward. This polygon, I'll move it backward just very, very little, like this. Also, I will choose this polygon and this polygon here, and I will click bridge, and then I will select this polygon and move it backward just a little bit. Also, this one and this one. Bridge, and then select this polygon and move it backward a little. Now let's unhide all. Okay. I just need to add little curve to this drawer handle. I will go to the front view, adjust here the vertex. I will shift it 0.5, and also this one 0.5, this one and this one minus 0.5. Now I will go to edge mode. I will select this one and this one, this one, and this one, and I will add chamfer. I'll make it 2, and I will increase the segment here. And we are done with our table.